Good evening, friends. Today's topic is, should plastic be banned? So everybody knows that, entire globe knows that, entire world knows that, the peoples who are present across the world knows that the bad consequences or bad effects of usage of plastic. So let me give few bad consequences of plastic. So plastic is very harmful to global warming. Usage of plastic bags, usage of plastic cups, plastic papers, whatever it may be, will affect humans' life. Plastic bags are having negative impact on human life. The plastic bags, which are useless plastic bags, we have thrown plenty of plastic bags outside. Such type of plastic bags releases poisonous chemicals. The chemicals enters into the soil. The soil becomes infertile, useless. It's not used for agriculture. If the land or the soil is not useful for agriculture purpose, the agriculture products are decreased. The production of agriculture is decreased. When the production of agriculture decreases, it impacts so agricultural production declines. When agricultural production declines, it leads to food shortage. Food shortage leads to hunger deaths. If the situation continued for a while, for a year, what happens? The entire world will become a graveyard, one day or the other, if the situation is continued like that. So, finally, within nutshell, what I bring to your notice is, if the plastic usage will not be banned, or it not reduces, the usage of plastic is not reduces, as long as definitely the globe will become a graveyard. But who should ban the plastic? You, me, government, or non-governmental organization, or anybody who comes amazingly from sky to ban this? Who will ban this plastic? I am asking you, friends, who will ban this plastic? Who is responsible person to ban this plastic? The government should have to take responsibility to ban the plastic. So government should have do anything to ban this plastic. Yes, you might be thinking in the same way. Okay, just let me know how many viewers are there whose age is around 35 to 40. Probably few persons are there. Just remember your childhood days. Just recall and remember the childhood days which you lead. When you get fever, when you suffered with fever, your father has taken you to hospital. Then the doctor give you an injection. It's made up of glass. He prescribed few tablets and some tonic. The tonic bottle is made up of glass. Beyond that, if the situation is very critical, then what the doctor do? He has give saline to the patient. So you might have come across. The saline bottle itself made with glass. Isn't it? Have you recollect the things which happened in your earlier, in your childhood or in your youth? Now, contrast the same situation, compare the same situation, today's situation. You compare those things from these things. Injection is made with plastic. Bottle is made with plastic. Saline bottle in the form of saline bottle, saline bags, plastic saline bags are available in market. So the government itself given permission to this type of things. The government has given permission. Why should? I am asking why the government has given permission to this type of things. Instead of banning these things, instead of banning this plastic, government has given permission to establish number of factories. Is it proper? Is it correct? Is the government going in the right path? Just think of you. So, now you people tell me, who will going to ban this plastic? So the topic is plastic to be banned. Who put first step? You? Me? Are we? Yes. We are all together move forward and put step. We ourselves should have to realize. We ourselves should have to motivate. We ourselves have to take a oath that I should have to use less number of plastic. As early as possible, I should not use plastic bags, plastic cups, whatever it may be. Why I am asking you, me, we? Because don't you a part of government? Don't I a part of government? Don't we all the part of government? Everybody as part of the government. This is not only the responsibility of the government. This is the responsibility of this is the responsibility of ours. This is the responsibility of the entire world. Entire world should have to think that I myself reduce to use plastics. So when we think in this type of idea, when we think this type of ideology, then slowly and steadily the plastic usage will be reduced. So let take a oath that I should use less amount of plastic from today onwards. So this is my humble request, friends. Thank you.